This book changed my entire perspective on education and business. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I haven't been very active. Maybe this video has been posted after almost a year, and I promise you in 2025 I'm going to be more active. Today I want to share something which completely changed my perspective on business and education. You see, instead of doing an MBA, I read 50 books, actually more than 50 books last year. Yes, 50 books. And let me tell you, that decision completely changed my entire take on life, success, business, education, and every single thing. But why did I make this choice? Why did I choose self-education over the traditional route of an MBA? Well, the answer lies in one powerful book, The Personal MBA by Josh Kaufman.
Personal MBA. This is the book.
So I'll tell you what the biggest problem with an MBA is. So you might be wondering, why not an MBA? It is by far the most successful option for a successful career. So here's what Josh Kaufman talks about in his book, The Personal MBA. So he says that an MBA will give you an advantage in the first 4 years of your corporate career. But after that, it's your skills and results that determine your success. And I'm going to break it down why it made so much sense to me. Think about it. An MBA gives you the shortcut, primarily because of the network, the prestige, and the entire bookish knowledge it gives you. But after around 4 years of a corporate career, a degree is just a piece of paper. Your true success depends on your skills. How well can you apply what you've learned, and how effectively can you solve real life problems? And let's be honest, an MBA might not always prepare you for real life business challenges. They focus a lot on theory, which looks good on paper, but doesn't really help when you're facing real life problems in your actual business. And I just realized that I don't want to be stuck in the entire learning of just theory. I wanted to learn by doing. That's when the Personal MBA truly resonated with me. Josh Kaufman said that you don't need a fancy degree to succeed in business, but instead you just need a strategic approach of learning, and that is what I started doing. He says that you can get the same education as an MBA by reading 40-50 books on business, strategy, finance, leadership, and much more. So that's what I did. I read books on marketing to finance to leadership. Books like 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel, Lean Startup by Eric Ries, and even Influence by Robert Cialdini. These books are written by industry experts who've been there and done that. And that is the power of self-education. You get to learn from industry experts and not just mere teachers who have never done a business themselves. In fact, by reading these books, I learned marketing directly from Seth Godin, leadership directly from Simon Sinek, and startups directly from Peter Thiel. That's the level of expertise no MBA can provide. And the best part, I didn't have to pay 15 lakhs for it. And I didn't have to sit in a classroom for 2 years. Also, I know that this approach is not for everyone. Some people perform better when they are put in structured environments like a classroom. But for me, self-education made much more sense. So it gave me the flexibility to learn everything on my own pace, and I could apply it immediately to my own business. I wasn't waiting for exams or assignments. I was building a business day by day by learning from these books. The second reason why it worked for me is cost. An MBA from even an average college will minimum cost you 15 lakhs. And that's just for the tuition. You also have to figure out the living expenses, textbook cost, and other costs associated. Instead, I plan to use the same money as a seed capital to my own business. I didn't buy a single book. I read everything on my Kindle, which made it more flexible and affordable. Another important point that Josh Kaufman makes in the Personal MBA is that an MBA will give you an edge for just 4 years. After that, it just depends on your skills and how you apply them in real life. That's something I realized early on. Whether you're working on a business or working in the corporate world, your ability to get things done is more important than your degree, which is stuck to a wall. You see, in today's world, education doesn't just stop after graduation. Learning is a lifelong process, and by self-educating, you will be ahead of the game. With the right resources and dedication, you can get the same knowledge as any degree, if not more, by doing self-education. So if you're considering of skipping an MBA or trying out self-education, I really urge you to try it out once. Pick up any book on the topic of finance, strategy, business, marketing, and start applying that to your own life. You will be amazed of what all can you learn without going to a classroom. Reading the Personal MBA last year was one of the best decisions I have ever made. So if you want to get on the same journey as mine by skipping business school and going for self-education, I will definitely suggest you to start with the personal MBA. Check it out and then start your 50 book journey. And if you found the video helpful, do subscribe to my channel. I talk about business and self-education, and if that is something that interests you, don't forget to tap on the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.